Hey guys, showing you this queen LED bed frame with a storage and the headboard. So it have four drawers, is a modern storage bed frame with crystal button, tufted headboard, USB and USB-C charging ports. So no box spring needed. So this is a white color. So let's unbox and show you the quality. So this one is the queen size with the 83-inch length, width of 62 and the height of 42. So this is the whole, the box and the parts. So I will just assemble and try to show you only the quick steps. So this is the bed frame, and they have the wood slates on top. And the wood slates is also nice, like because it have a wood clip, so pretty easy. So just put it. And this is for the drawers that you put in the wheels. This is how you put the wheels uh, in the drawers thing, the wood. So you can see like the drawers, how smooth it goes in the floor. And yeah, there are total four drawers, and the LED lights change the rhythm with the light, or you can use is the remote. So the drawers are also a big size drawers, and it have the hook that you can use like this, and then put it back. So very nice soft material and nice looking, elegant looking. And you can see it here, the LED lights, and also it have the USB charging thing. So this is the front side. So this you can see, like, then the back, the LED and the remotes are everything is here. So I just put it the plugs and stuff. And this also move with the like the remotes is also there, so you can operate with the remote. These are the two USB on the top of the bed. So it's pretty much nice, very nice bed frame. This the storage you can do in between the LED when you want to put your mobile for charging, and then the drawers to store your stuff. USB is to charge, lights to have fun, and with the rhythms. So if the music in the room, the light will start doing a rhythm with that. So it's pretty nice, and great queen bed. So yep, and though no big box spring required because of the wood slates. So nice modern design and pretty elegant looking queen bed frame. So this have both USB and the USB-C charging. Very sturdy frame, easy to install with the wood slates. Then cleaning is also easy. It's not like fabric, but it's uh, you know I will say pseudo leather, sort of like the fox leather, and very elegant looking and easy to clean and use and assemble. Just showing the from the different angles, so you can see.